In the question given that some boys in the class are taller than all the girls, let x, y be the domain. Domain is set of all students in the class. Some boys means there is at least one boy in the class who will be taller than all the girls in the class. So we will use there exist clause. There exists an student X if that student is boy, and for every other student if that student is girl, then it implies that if for every there exists at least one student who is boy, and for every other student if that student is happens to be a girl, then that boy X is taller than this girl. So this statement says that some boys in the class are taller than all the girls. It is analogous to, I think, option D. Now see how other options are wrong. In option A, it says that for all y, girl y and taller. It says that every student is a girl, and X, that boy is taller than girl, and there exists X, boy X imply Y. Suppose that if X happens to be a girl, then this statement will become false and the whole statement will become true. Hence the girl will be answer in this equation. So option A is wrong. In option B, there exists boy X and for all y, girl y and taller X comma y. It says that there is at least one student which is boy. Up till here it is okay, and for every y, girl y and taller xy, it says that this statement says that every student is girl and that boy X is taller than all. X is taller than all. So every student is girl contradicts the fact that there is some one boy. So option B is also wrong. In option C, there is a X, boy X imply for all y, girl y imply taller X comma y. From here up till here there is no problem in this equation, but there exists a student X which is boy. If that student X is girl, then this statement will become false, and as soon as this statement will become false, the whole statement will become true. So this statement is also true for girl student. So option C is wrong.